Are you looking for a way to quickly and easily invite people to join your Facebook Messenger group? In this video, I will show you how to share a Messenger group link so that anyone can be added in an instant. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Facebook Messenger application and then tap on your group chat. After that, tap on the name of the group chat at the top left. And then scroll down to the chat info section, and you'll see an option called Invite Link. So go ahead and tap where it says Invite Link. And then turn it on. So now all you have to do is copy this link and share it with anyone you like. You can also directly send this invite link in the Messenger app by simply tapping on this. Also, you can tap Share to simply share this link to any other social media platform or other application. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.